Oh, yes, I heard you. Well, that is me, your chef Sudi. Served with Love is a happening home based cloud kitchen in your city. We have a network of home kitchens and also bakeries. So, next time when you feel hungry or there's a party in mind, we are just a call away. We give you the best in class quantity and the quality at the most affordable price. Do reach our website and our social network page #ServedWithLove for more information. You can also find our menu up there. Not a problem. Give us a call or drop in a message and we can also share our menu with you. Experience our dishes. It is an assurance we will leave an impression on your taste buds. So, do like, share and comment your experiences with Served with Love.